Hey, this video is going to talk about how to start your own online marketing agency. This is kind of influenced by Kevin David's course, the MAP program. I bought this a while ago. I believe it was $37 at the time. And I don't want to take from his course, so I'm not going to talk about his exact sales methods that he recommends in the course, but I'll show you the basic idea of everything in case you want to save the money and skip right to starting the business, because $37 might be a high price tag for some people. The information in here, I'll be honest, it's not the best. It's not top of the line. It's just very simple. He uses a lot of free tools and he promotes his own tool in the course as a way to get sales on top of the product. Kevin David, he's a salesman at heart. Like, we're going to take a look at the website here, the Marketing Agency Program website, and it has all the tricks of the trade. You got that timer in the bottom, last chance 95% off, you gotta join now before it's gone, exclusive discounts, play a video, see how it works in 3 easy steps, talks about himself. It looks like it's the software program when really it's just a couple videos and an online dashboard. When you scroll down here, you start to get some fake testimonials and it gives you a money back guarantee. This type of website is very popular amongst people online, and especially in the online courses like Tai Lopez, Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, Kevin David. All these people, they use this same style of website. You'll even see on my Frugal Email Marketing course, I kind of used the same layout, but I used a different website. All of these people, you'll usually find that they're using a company called ClickFunnels. I'll leave a link to ClickFunnels in the description below if you want to check it out. It's a great sales website builder. The point of it is supposed to be a sales funnel, and it's supposed to walk from introduction to the videos, to the information, to the sales page, to the course landing page, to the follow-up emails. ClickFunnels kind of does all that for you. But anyways, back to what this marketing agency program is about. So what he's showing you how to do in this course is how to create your own online marketing agency business. And the best way to do that is by using Facebook ads. If you've been in online business for a while, you know that Facebook ads is probably the strongest advertising platform in terms of their algorithm and their remarketing and their audiences, demographics, and targeting. So as with any business, you're trying to use these very powerful tools and help people who are not quite knowledgeable enough to do that themselves. And that's the point of this program, is we're going to find businesses in kind of the old school times and get them onto Facebook ads and run their Facebook ads for them. If we understand how to run Facebook ads and we know how powerful this tool is, we can take any small business and improve their sales just by using Facebook ads. So the first step would be finding businesses, usually these old school businesses, and setting them up on Facebook ads for them. So how do we start? The first way to start is to install this free tool on Google Chrome called the Facebook Pixel Helper. And what the Facebook Pixel Helper does is when you land on a website, it will show you if a pixel is installed. And we know in order to run Facebook ads, you need a conversion pixel, because Facebook uses that for the retargeting, it uses that for event logging. Facebook Pixel is the core of the Facebook ads. So this Chrome extension will show you whether a pixel is installed on a website or not. So step one would be getting this Facebook Pixel. So what you'll do is you'll go to the Chrome Web Store and you'll search for the Facebook Pixel Helper, and then we're going to click add to Chrome. And once this is installed, any website that you go to, it will light up in the top right corner and tell you if a pixel is installed. So let's test a couple websites here to show you how it looks when a pixel is installed and when a website does not have a pixel installed. For the first example here, let's use In the Symposium, our website for the online courses. And if you look in the top right corner here, it shows a number 2. And if I click that icon for the Facebook Pixel Helper, it will show that 1 pixel is found on the website. It will show that what the pixel is tracking, so it's tracking page views, and the micro data is automatically detected. So that's kind of the metadata here. Now let's see an example of a website that doesn't have a pixel installed. So what I did was I searched real estate agents in Calgary, and we got this site, which is jamienewton.ca. And if we're going to look in the top right corner here for the Facebook pixel, it's going to say no pixels found on jamienewton.ca. So that tells tells me right there that Jamie is likely not running ads to his website. So it's a huge opportunity as a new marketing agency to contact Jamie and set up his advertising for him. And if we take a look at his website, it's a decent website, could definitely get some sales if we get traffic to the website. Scrolling down, you see some feature listings, and it looks like he's also in the upper sales bracket for homes. This is a $1.3 million home. This is a $1.175 million home. So he likely has some money to spend on advertising. And if we get him even one sale in a couple months, that commission is well worth the price that he paid to us to run the Facebook ads. Scrolling down some more, got some about us, and we have contact information. So now knowing that he doesn't have a pixel installed on his website, we can use his contact information, send him email, send him a phone call, find him on LinkedIn, send him a message there. We have many opportunities and many options. So this is probably a good time to stop the first lesson. The next lesson, I'll talk about how to find multiple websites without a Facebook pixel a lot quicker and a lot easier. And then we'll talk about how to contact them, what to say. I'll offer some email scripts, some phone scripts. And then in the last lessons, we'll talk about Facebook ads. If you don't know how to run them, we'll show you how to run those ads so that you can bring business to these companies.